Dr. Joseph Murphy's How to Attract Money is a practical guide to understanding and applying the principles of the subconscious mind in attracting wealth and abundance into your life. A well-known figure in the self-help and personal development field, Dr. Murphy built his teachings around the power of the subconscious mind, aligning with the law of attraction and the idea that our thoughts shape our reality. The central theme of the book is that wealth and abundance are not just for a select few, but that anyone, regardless of their current circumstances, can attract money into their lives by aligning their thoughts and beliefs with the idea of prosperity. Dr. Murphy advocates for a mindset shift where individuals move from a consciousness of lack to a consciousness of abundance. Through a series of practical exercises, affirmations, and visualizations, he encourages readers to work with the subconscious mind to manifest financial success. 1. The power of the subconscious mind. Dr. Joseph Murphy's foundational belief is that the subconscious mind holds the key to attracting wealth. He argues that the thoughts and beliefs you hold in your subconscious mind, whether positive or negative, directly influence your external reality. If your subconscious mind is filled with thoughts of lack, poverty, or scarcity, you will attract more of the same. Conversely, if you cultivate a mindset of abundance, wealth, and prosperity, you will start to see opportunities and circumstances that align with that mindset. Murphy explains that the subconscious mind doesn't distinguish between positive and negative thoughts. It simply accepts whatever is impressed upon it. So it is essential to focus on positive, wealth-affirming thoughts to reprogram your subconscious mind and create a new reality. To making friends with money. A crucial part of Dr. Murphy's philosophy is the concept of making friends with money. Many people subconsciously have negative associations with money, seeing it as evil, something hard to come by, or a source of stress. Murphy emphasizes that money, in and of itself, is neutral. It is simply a tool that can be used for good or ill, depending on how it is perceived and managed. To attract more wealth, Dr. Murphy suggests changing your attitude toward money. He encourages readers to view money as a positive force, something that enables them to do good in the world, help others, and improve their own lives. He stresses the importance of loving money, not in a greedy or selfish way, but as a symbol of abundance, opportunity, and freedom. 3. Developing wealth consciousness. Dr. Murphy introduces the idea of wealth consciousness, which is the mindset or belief system that attracts money into your life. Wealth consciousness is the opposite of poverty consciousness, which involves focusing on scarcity, lack, and limitation. To develop wealth consciousness, one must shift their mental focus to thoughts of abundance, success, and prosperity. To cultivate wealth consciousness, Dr. Murphy suggests several techniques. Affirmations. Repeating affirmations that affirm your worthiness of abundance. Visualization. Visualizing yourself already in possession of the wealth you desire. Mental imagery. Using mental images of wealth and abundance to impress your subconscious mind. By consistently practicing these techniques, you begin to change your belief system, which will ultimately change the reality you experience. Murphy stresses that wealth consciousness is not about merely wanting money, but about truly feeling that you deserve it, that there is plenty of it in the universe, and that it is readily available to you. 4. Reinstating your belief in your abilities. One of the major obstacles to attracting wealth, according to Dr. Murphy, is a lack of self-belief. Many people have ingrained doubts about their own capabilities or feel that wealth is only for certain people or situations. Dr. Murphy teaches that it is essential to reinstate and reinforce your belief in your own abilities and potential. He emphasizes the power of self-affirmation and self-talk. When you replace negative thoughts like, "I can't do this," or "I don't deserve wealth," with positive affirmations like, "I am worthy of wealth," and "I am capable of achieving great success," you begin to change your subconscious programming. Murphy also suggests surrounding yourself with positive influences, whether that be through books, media, or the company you keep, as these will help reinforce your belief in your own abilities. 5. Always have a surplus. Dr. Murphy talks about the importance of maintaining a mindset that always expects a surplus of wealth. He warns against the idea of merely trying to make ends meet or to get by. Instead, he advocates for thinking in terms of abundance and excess. When you believe you are always in abundance, you start attracting situations and opportunities that create a continuous flow of money into your life. He also highlights the need for financial planning and wise money management. Even if you currently don't have a surplus, cultivating an abundance mindset involves believing that there is always enough money to meet your needs and desires. This mental shift from scarcity to abundance can unlock your potential to attract more wealth. 6. The Law of Attraction. While not explicitly named in the book, Dr. Murphy's teachings align closely with the Law of Attraction. The Law of Attraction states that like attracts like. That is, the energy you put out into the universe will be returned to you. If you are constantly focused on wealth, prosperity, and abundance, you are aligning yourself with those energies, which will manifest in your life. Murphy encourages readers to focus on their desires, not on their fears or doubts. He explains that the key to using the law of attraction is to focus on the outcome you want, rather than worrying about the obstacles or challenges you might face along the way. The more positive energy and focus you direct toward your financial goals, the more likely they are to materialize. 7. Visualization and mental imagery. One of the key tools Dr. Murphy advocates for in attracting wealth is the use of visualization and mental imagery. He believes that by vividly imagining yourself already living the life you want, you can impress your subconscious mind with the belief that it is already true. This process can help dissolve any doubts and reinforce the idea that abundance is already on its way. For example, you might visualize yourself receiving large sums of money, living in a luxurious home, or enjoying financial freedom. The more vivid and emotionally charged your mental images are, the more powerfully they will influence your subconscious mind and your external reality. 8. The importance of gratitude. Gratitude plays a pivotal role in Dr. Murphy's system for attracting money. He asserts that gratitude is one of the most powerful ways to attract wealth, as it aligns you with the vibration of abundance. When you express gratitude for the money you already have, you signal to the universe that you are open to receiving more. Gratitude also helps you stay positive and focused on what you have, rather than on what you lack. Murphy recommends making gratitude a daily habit, whether through keeping a gratitude journal or simply taking a moment each day to appreciate the wealth that is already flowing into your life. Number 9. The role of faith and trust. Dr. Murphy emphasizes that faith is a critical component in the manifestation of wealth. Faith is not just about believing that wealth is possible, but trusting that it will come at the right time and in the right way. He encourages readers to trust the process and to remain confident that their desires are already being fulfilled in the unseen realms. By cultivating faith, you release the need to control how and when the money will come. Trusting in the process allows you to focus on your goals and align your actions and thoughts with your desires without worrying about obstacles or setbacks. 10. Living in abundance. Dr. Murphy stresses that attracting wealth is not just about acquiring money, but about adopting an overall mindset of abundance. This means living a life that is rich in experiences, love, health, and opportunities, as well as financial resources. He encourages readers to believe in the fullness of life and to take steps each day to live in alignment with this abundance. Living in abundance also means being generous with others, whether that is through time, resources, or support. Murphy argues that giving is a key part of receiving. The more you give, the more you open yourself up to receiving even greater blessings. Practical exercises and techniques. Throughout the book, Dr. Murphy includes practical exercises to help readers apply his teachings and attract money into their lives. Some of these exercises include daily affirmations, repeating positive statements about wealth, prosperity, and abundance. Visualization exercises, spending time each day visualizing the life you want to create. Gratitude practice, keeping a gratitude journal or simply acknowledging the wealth you already have in your life. Mental reprogramming, using affirmations and visualization to reprogram the subconscious mind to believe in your financial success. Conclusion. How to Attract Money by Dr. Joseph Murphy provides a comprehensive framework for using the power of the subconscious mind to attract wealth and abundance into your life. By adopting a wealth-conscious mindset, aligning your thoughts and beliefs with prosperity, and using techniques like visualization, affirmations, and gratitude, you can begin to manifest the financial success you desire. Murphy's core message is that wealth is available to everyone, and that the key to attracting it is changing your mental programming. By moving away from thoughts of lack and embracing thoughts of abundance, you can open yourself